My dad once told me you can't outrun a non-disabled person, but you can outsmart them. It took me time to settle in. I was the only disabled person in my class and I was scared because everyone was looking at me. I tried to talk to my class pupil to show them there is nothing wrong with me. It worked. UK opened doors I wouldn't imagine. Unbelievable opportunities because, as you can see, I am speaking with you. It was very hard to meet someone because I always thought they will reject me, but meeting Maria first day we clicked straight away. Believe it or not, I don't believe I have disability because I can do everything that you do. Are you okay? I want to inspire people to show that just because you have disability it doesn't mean you can't achieve your goals. You are not alone. There is help out there and you can inspire people that went the same problem you had. Never be afraid to ask help.